In this section of the exercise, we will be familiarizing ourselves with the asset framework structure that we'll be using for the rest of the exercise. Go ahead and open up Pi System Explorer and connect to the Pi World AF database. You can do so by clicking the database button in the top left and then selecting the Pi World option in the pop-up. Once in the database, on the left-hand side under Elements, go ahead and explore the structure under Exercise 2, Pump Station, Pump 01. You can see that this is one of 5 pumps at the pump station, and we know that maintenance is important for these critical assets. If we go ahead and look at the Attributes tab on the main screen for Pump 01 and explore the Maintenance Information category, we'll see that some usage-based maintenance information has already been implemented, similar to the way that we implemented it for the ice cream mixers in the first exercise. You'll notice that there is a run hour counter, as well as a trigger, and a number of starts counter, as well as a trigger for that. Now let's go ahead and look at how these were calculated. In the main window, go ahead and move to the Analysis tab, and then find the Usage-Based Calculations Analysis, and review the calculations done here. Let's go ahead now and look at the Usage-Based Maintenance Event Analysis, and we'll see here that the triggers mentioned previously are being used to track operation time and number of starts to create events if these triggers are exceeded. We will be doing something very similar in the next exercise with our bearing temperature.